In today's video, I will show you how to copy text in Google Messages. Google Messages is actually the default texting app for millions of Android devices worldwide, and it uses a modern technology called RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which upgrades your standard SMS into a much smarter messaging experience. Because of how it is built, copying a specific line of text to share somewhere else or save for later is incredibly quick and easy to do. First, open Google Messages on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, find the conversation you want to copy text from and then click it to open it up. Once it is open, scroll through your chat history and find the exact message you want to copy. Then, simply tap and hold it for a brief moment until it becomes highlighted. Finally, look up at the top right corner of your screen and click the copy icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. That saves the exact text directly to your clipboard, so you are all set to paste it into another app or notes file. And that's it. That's how you copy text in Google Messages.